Good day, everyone. If your Windows 11 Start menu search bar isn't working, no matter what you type, here are 3 simple steps to fix it. Make sure to follow them in order. Step 1. Run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Right-click the Start button and select Run or press Windows plus R. In the Run box, type msdt.exe Windows Help ID Search Diagnostic. Then click OK. This will open the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Follow the prompts, select the issue you're facing, and let Windows attempt to fix it. Step 2. Restart Windows Search Service. Open Run again, Windows plus R, and type services.msc. Then press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down or press W to find Windows Search. Right-click it and select Restart. Also, make sure its status is set to running. Step 3. Rebuild the search index. Press Windows plus R again, type Control, and press Enter to open Control Panel. Change the view to large icons or small icons, then click Indexing Options. Click Advanced, then under the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild. This will rebuild the search index. It may take some time, and search results might be limited during the process. Final step. Restart your computer. Once everything is done, restart your PC. After restarting, your search bar should be working normally again.